Alright, today is March 25th. I'm going to look at trading this release at 1:15. It says Fed Chairman Bernanke speaks. This is not something I would normally be trading, but the JOBB system has designated it as a trade, so I'm going to stick to the system. Alright, as you can see here, I'm already set up on the CL, and I'm going to set this up. They recommend using a 5 for the bracket distance. Time is going to be 13:14:59. Alright, change this to true and change this to simple 1. Alright, that should be everything, I believe. And pretty much I'll be leaving this on for about 10 seconds, and if it's not triggered in 10 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and just exit out of the trade, which is what they recommend. Alright, and over here we're going to be using this one to monitor the trade. Again, this is something new, but we're going to try it out and see how it goes. I'll be back shortly. Alright, we're about 20 seconds out. We're going to see how this works out here. About 5 seconds to go. Should be interesting.
Order pending.
Nothing's happened yet. Still just bouncing around right there. There we can see things a little bit better. Alright.
Order cancelled.
Now I'm just waiting for something of worth to happen. That reminds me.
Stop filled.
Currency. True. Apply. Looks like we actually got in at one price and got out at the exact same price, which is interesting. I'm going to continue to watch this here. Because I still believe if he says something important, that it's going to have an impact. So I'm going to reset this. I don't know why I did that. Okay. Let's set it for 13:17. Okay, simple 1. Alright. Enabled. Bracket distance of, let's do 5 again. Alright, let's see. So the first part came out as a break even.
Order pending.
And the market, of course, is still going sideways. Which is most likely why I've never traded in the past. Because I personally didn't see any great spikes after it, but I'm always willing to be proven wrong, so we'll see here shortly. And like I said, I know if he does say something of importance, it will cause a quick reaction. And I also have the ZB here. Wanted to see how the ZB reacted. As you can see, ZB pretty much did nothing. So it's not a candidate to trade with this either. And yet the market still moves sideways. Would press pause, but since we're only 3 points away from getting filled, I don't want to do that. I'm going to check the ES also. Let me see what it's looking like here. Alright, well the ES did actually have a move. You can see here, the ES did have a spike. Came out at 115. Market went down a couple points. And somehow it ended up way the hell over here. I'm not even sure how it ended up over there. We're 2 points from getting filled. Let me check something out here. Okay, so yeah, it did open up way up here and then drop down. That was fairly interesting. And still sideways we go. Video's now 6 minutes in. I think I'm going to end up saying that it's just not going to work out. In the past, it's always taken one direction, but right now it's taking its sweet time. This is my first attempt at trading it, so I'm going to be a little patient.
Order cancelled.
Interesting. Very interesting. Okay.
Stop filled.
Wow. This was very interesting. Okay. So we made $70 on that. First one here was a break even. And the second one broke out of our little range we had and gave us a couple points. I'm not sure if this is something I'm going to continue to trade or not. It didn't really happen with any consistency to me. Not any consistency, but it just took a while for it to actually get filled, get triggered into the trade. Alright, well, I'll take that $70 and be done with this trade. Thank you.